Hello everyone. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about unbiased review on thoughtful.com? If yes, then watch this video because this unbiased review will help you to decide either you should buy anything from this store or not, as the website is getting attention of the customer from all over the world, especially from United States. So let's check out the deal. Thoughtful.com is an e-commerce store selling many products as per the convenience of the customer. Their products include women clothing like floral dress, vacation dress, winter outfits, fuel tanks, television parts, musical instrument. But before making online shopping nowadays, you must check out the detail and legitimacy of the portal. So let's check out the features of thoughtful.com. It is HTTPS secure website. They have mentioned their email address and physical address, but no contact detail have been shared. They have mentioned their return, exchange and refund policy, like you can return the product within 30 days of receiving your product. If you receive damaged product, you can contact them via email and they will exchange with new product. Refund process takes 7 to 14 business days after seller receive the return items. The collection on this website has no reviews. As far as shipping policy is concerned, you can enjoy free shipping over the order of $60. For shipping, they need 72 hours. It took 10 to 22 days to deliver the product as per your destination. If you want to cancel your order, you can cancel your order within 12 to 24 hours via email after placing the order. If the order has not been shipped, you will get the refund. Moreover, if transportation is arranged, it cannot be cancelled, and payment mode through PayPal, credit card and debit cards. Positive highlights of the website are: it is HTTPS protocol detected, email and physical address have been found, the order could be tracked online. Negative highlights of the website are: contact number is missing, no reviews found, no page on social media were found. So here may question come in our mind as a customer, that is it legit or a scam. As we are discussing, it is an online shopping website, but let's check out the details in depth. It was created on 30th June 2021. It has horrible trust score of 1%. HTTPS protocol detected, which means it is safe. No social media activity found, no customer reviews found. No doubt it has multiple good sites, but there are something that make it more suspicious website. It's always advisable for our viewers that they must search for authentic reviews on some of reviewing site, and popular website always have reviews on other reviewing site to gain the confidence of reliability of online shopping website. So as we try to find out the reviews of this website, we are unfortunate we could not found any review either on the website or on any other reviewing site. So this made this website unsafe. Moreover, as it is not popular among the customer, it is again suspicious and questionable with poor trust score. And newly created website, less than 6 month old registration, means it is very new in the market, so you should not trust this blindly. They may use your personal information, so we are not recommending our viewers to buy anything from this store. And if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your views and experience. Write in the comment box, we love to hear from you.